How can I obtain the element-wise logical knot of a pandas series? I have a pandas series object containing boolean values. How can I get a series containing the logical knot of each value? For example, consider a series containing. The series I'd like to get would contain. This seems like it should be reasonably simple, but apparently I've misplaced my mojo equals.
To invert a Boolean series, use S. Using Python 2.7, NumPy 1.8.0, pandas 0.13.1. As of pandas 0.13.0, series are no longer subclasses of NumPy.array, they are now subclasses of pd.nframe. This might have something to do with why np.inverts is no longer as fast as S or S. Caveat: timite results may vary depending on many factors including hardware, compiler, OS, Python, NumPy and pandas versions.
@unupu's answer is spot on. Just wanted to add a warning that your mask needs to be dtype bool, not object. Your mask can't have ever had any nans. See here, even if your mask is nan-free now, it will remain object type. The inverse of an object series won't throw an error, instead you'll get a garbage mask of ints that won't work as you expect. After speaking with colleagues about this one, I have an explanation. It looks like pandas is reverting to the bitwise operator. As @gur says, you can convert it to bool with a stipe before you inverse with tilde.
I just give it a shot. You can also use numpy.invert. Edit: the difference in performance appears on Ubuntu 12.04, Python 2.7, NumPy 1.7.0, doesn't seem to exist using NumPy 1.6.2 though.
If you think so, say it, mas eu consigo